Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can get notified when someone likes your post on Pickzon. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Pickzon app in a device. Then tap on three lines icon. Next, tap on notification settings. After that, you can see the option of post like. Turn on it by tapping on it. So, this is how you can get notified when someone likes your post on Pickzon. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.